According to National Electrical Code Article 200.6, branch circuit conductors of the same circuit must be distinguished by unique colors. When dealing with an 8-gauge SO-cord, you can tape the wires different colors to comply with the National Electrical Code. For 8-gauge conductors, National Electrical Code Table 250.122 C permits the use of only 3 colors for identification. These are black, red, and blue. Therefore, taping the white conductor blue or red would comply with National Electrical Code requirements for the 8-gauge SO-cord. However, the same approach does not apply to a 12-gauge SO-cord. For 12-gauge conductors, National Electrical Code Table 250.122 C requires the use of 7 colors for identification. These colors are black, red, blue, yellow, green, white, and gray. Therefore, taping the white conductor a different color would not comply with National Electrical Code requirements for a 12-gauge SO-cord. Due to the stricter color code requirements for 12-gauge conductors, an alternative method is needed to ensure National Electrical Code compliance. For a 12-gauge SO-cord, it is recommended to use heat shrink tubes or wire markers to distinguish the conductor colors. This approach allows you to clearly identify each conductor while adhering to the National Electrical Code's color coding standards for 12-gauge wires. In summary, while taping is an acceptable method for changing wire colors on an 8-gauge SO-cord, it is not compliant for a 12-gauge SO-cord. Heat shrink tubes or wire markers offer a suitable alternative for 12-gauge applications, ensuring adherence to National Electrical Code regulations and maintaining safety and clarity in your electrical work. Always consult the latest edition of the National Electrical Code and local regulations for specific requirements in your jurisdiction.